In this video, I will show you how to add tracker in CapCut PC. After you open the CapCut, go and import what you want to add as a tracker. So what you want to track. So for this video, I want to use this. Go to sticker. I want to use this blurry as an example. So I'll pick the duration. So now here is it. Let's say now I want to hide something on this video. So I'll just take the blurry section to the position where I want to hide. So I want to hide something in this section of the video. So now go ahead and click on this tracking. Go to motion tracking. So now take this yellow to the position of the icon you add. So I make sure I pick the position. So then click on the start button. So now it will start tracking the video. So as you can see now, after it finished tracking, so now you can go ahead and play the video and see how it works. Let's play the video and see. So as you can see now, as I play the video, you can see now the tracking is tracking where I place the track. So as you can see, here is it now. So that's it guys on how to add tracker in CapCut. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.